Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in again. What you can see right here next to me is the Amazon Echo Plus. This is the second generation device, and sitting right next to me is the first generation device. So we're gonna go ahead, get this unboxed, get it set up in our home, and then show you the little bits and pieces that make this a different product. So let's get going. All right, now first off, obviously there's some upgrades that have occurred here. A couple of the big pieces for you. The woofer here is better. It's a 3-inch woofer. This was a 2.5-inch woofer. The sound quality is expected to be improved between these two devices. The other thing that I think is really interesting is there is a temperature sensor built in on board here with the Amazon Echo Plus second generation. One last thing, and this is what we've seen from Amazon throughout their line of products. This is now a more matte finish. We're moving away from kind of the plastic metal design here that they had in their first and second generation of most of these products. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. So now moving into the box right away, and this is how it is with most of Amazon's products. You can see right away. So this is how the unit came right out of the box. That's really all you're getting is the speaker here in some plastic wrapping, and then just this little component right here, which I believe is just going to be a couple of manuals. All right, so I've just managed to get this unwrapped out of the box. Let me show you a few things right away. Now, obviously sitting right next to this device here, what we have is a much shorter Echo Plus. It's a little bit wider, and right away what you'll notice is it is definitely a lighter home automation product or home automation hub here. Now, moving on top of the product here, you're going to notice a few things. Now, you're going to notice a new arrangement of microphones on this, and this is similar to what we saw with the Echo Dot. There's still the 4 control buttons, so you can see the plus and minus, that's your volume control, the wake button, which is the dot there, and then the microphone button there, or the mute microphone button rather. On the back, similar to the Echo Dot, you can see right here, this is a 3.5 millimeter speaker port, and right here, this is your power port. So again, very similar to the Echo Dot at this point. There are, of course, a few other things in the box here. This is the other component that was in the box. There's really nothing else. So let me go ahead and get that open. I'm pretty sure I know what's in here. So we do have the power adapter. It's a 30-watt power adapter. So that's getting a little up there in terms of power requirements. And then, of course, as always, we have the couple of manuals and the things to try card from Amazon. So we have that right there, and there's a couple of manuals and quick start guides that we could use, but hey, that's why you're here watching this video. So a couple other things as I get the adapter here all ready to go, and then we plug in our Echo Plus. This is a 100 to 240 volt adapter, so it is ready to go multinational. Obviously you'd need to change the plug there, but that was a question I had on one of my previous videos. So I'm just gonna get this plugged in and then we'll get going.
Hello. Bringing your device online. Just a moment. Connexion de votre appareil. Veuillez patienter.
So very similar to what I saw with the Echo Dot, there was that French language there at the end, which is important here in Canada. So, you know, I'm thinking throughout the world, Amazon is now paying attention to that multinational or multi-language component.
Your device is ready.
Now right there, I've done absolutely nothing. So in my home, what I'll tell you is I do have other Amazon Echo devices, and I do have an account already signed up with Amazon. That's the account I used to purchase this device. So if you have used that account to purchase this device and you have other Amazon Echo products in your home, that is the setup process. I already have my Wi-Fi credentials saved to Amazon, and literally this is ready to go. Now, if you didn't already have those credentials saved in, I'm going to give you a quick run through of how that would work in your home. So stick with me here as we go through it. All right, so we need to start within the Alexa application, and you will have to sign in to that application with a set of credentials from Amazon. You'll either have to sign up for an account or you will have to sign in with the credentials. Now you should have credentials because you bought an Echo Plus. I'm going to tap over on the bottom right into the home control section of the application here, and now top right I'm going to click the plus. Once I do that, I can hit add device, and then I'm going to choose Amazon Echo and Echo Plus. Once I choose Echo Plus, you can see that it's looking for the Wi-Fi devices or the available Wi-Fi devices that are out there. You need an orange ring on the top of your Amazon Echo Plus in order for it to be broadcasting this Wi-Fi. So once I have that here, I'm going to tap on it. And then from there, I'm going to select my Wi-Fi network. Now, I've already saved credentials inside of Amazon's application here, but if you didn't, you would just simply have to tap on your network and then put in your password to your Wi-Fi network. And it just goes through a simple connection process. Literally, that's it, guys. This is as much as you have to do to get this connected and set up on your Wi-Fi network. And from here, you're ready to ask Alexa whatever you'd like. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is connect this device to your other home automation or your other smart home products. You're going to want to connect to Amazon Music or Spotify, get those set up here. You can play the radio. All of those things are available right out of the box with the appropriate accounts. On top of that, you can of course go through reminders and all those lists and all those other functions that you purchase this for, and I will be producing tutorials as we go forward here with both the Echo Dot and the Echo Plus. Now, of course, with a speaker this good, that's going to be the next video. I'm going to show you just from a review perspective how good this speaker is. So thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.